today in our reading lesson, we're going to learn our big idea for the week. And our big idea is how can we understand nature? Now, what is nature? Ellie, what is nature? That's a really big word. What is nature? Ellie?
It means like a forest or somewhere open where bugs live.
Maybe a forest or where bugs or insects live. What do you think, Kaden?
It's pretty much where it's pretty much nature is green.
It's green. So would it be inside or do you think it's more like outside?
Outside.
Outside. Good job.
Outside, pretty much
So
only green.
pretty much anywhere outside, not inside a building, but anything that is nature is outside, like green grass, bugs, trees, a forest. Mason.
Nature is I forgot.
Did you forget? I'll come back to you. Ellie, is your hand up for your question? Okay, Addie. Just wait, not right now. Rain.
I have two things. First one, it's peaceful there.
It's peaceful. I like that.
Second one, there's a lot of animals living.
And a lot of animals live there. Perfect. So this week, we're gonna have fun. We're gonna read. We're gonna read some stories about nature. So I want you to listen to this section right here, okay?
Stories about nature. Have you ever seen a beetle with such bright colors? For years, people have been trying to explain nature through stories. Here are some questions people have tried to answer. Why does a zebra have stripes? Why is the sky blue? Talk about it. Work with a partner. Think of some questions you have about nature. Write your questions on the chart.
Okay, so I'm gonna make a chart up here, and I want you to think, what are some questions that when you go outside, you wonder about? For example, I have always wondered this question. Right now we have snow outside, it's white, but when it melts, where does the white go?
Oh, no. It melts.
That's Mrs. Murphy's question. For snow,
It's in the ground.
for snow, my question is, where does the white go when it melts? All right, who has another question about nature? Raylan,
It's not just because of that, but why is the sky blue?
why is the sky blue? That is a great question. So Raylan has this question. He wonders, why is the sky blue? Great question. Brooklyn.
That's a good question about. Why does this animal call that's like a zebra with a lion? Why is that like that?
Say that one more time.
Why is it alive when there's a zebra mixed with a kangaroo? No, not a kangaroo. Lion. No, not a lion.
Okay,
A llama.
you keep thinking on
No,
that
it's
question,
not.
because I'm not quite sure about that nature question.
No, it's
Louis.
a thing.
Okay, I'll come back to you. Keaton,
Why are animals a thing?
why are animals like?
A thing.
Why do we have animals? Is that your question?
Yes.
So
So we
animals.
love them.
Because we're
We
animals
eat
that
them.
don't want to be alive.
Keaton's question is, well, why do we have them?
Hunt them and eat them.
Okay, good question. Ray, what's your question about nature?
Well, it's kind of about like the sun. Why is it yellow?
Why is the sun yellow?
It could be white.
Okay, why is the sun yellow?
That's
That's a really good question. How about Addie?
Why are trees green?
Why are trees
bulk brown?
Say that. What was the first word, Mason? You said
Why is bulk brown?
the bark. So why is the tree green? And why are maybe we'll put the bark? Why is it brown? Good question.
Bark brown. No, that's a really big bubble thing.
Aria, do you have a question or that you wonder about?
Why is the clouds in the air?
Why are clouds in the air?
So we can breathe.
No.
Oh yeah.
I like that question, and sometimes I wonder why don't they ever like fall down? Like they're just up there. Don't they ever?
Oh, they made us.
They do
They
fall
made
down.
us smoke. They made
Eddie,
us.
not Eddie, Ellie. L-E-S, I mean. L-E-S.
Why are the leaves on trees?
Say it one more time.
Why are leaves on
Why are leaves on trees? Why do we even have
To
leaves?
cover the trees.
That's pretty much so we can bleed.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's part of it.
All right. Raylan, what's your question?
Why do trees give us air?
Why or how too? Maybe.
Yeah. Because animals.
So air,
True, why?
and maybe why? Why do they give us air?
That's actually a really good question.
Okay, I'm gonna take a couple more questions. Brooklyn, did you figure your question out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why? I know this is part of the story. Why are zebras black and white?
I always have this question, and my father-in-law, so my husband, Marcus, his dad always says this to my girls.
And I have two
No,
more.
listen, Brooklyn, it goes with zebras. Are zebras white with black stripes? Or are zebras black with white stripes?
I don't know.
Do you ever wonder?
Oh, I know.
I don't know. I have another one.
know.
This is Murphy.
Okay, just a second.
Mostly white.
So, that's a really good question. So, what color are their stripes?
Black.
Black and white.
And I'll have to tell my father-in-law we talked about that in second grade today.
I
I'm
have
having
another
supper with him
one.
tonight.
I have
He'll be excited because he always says that to my girls. What color are zebras? Are they white with black stripes or are they black with white stripes?
No one knows. Murphy, I have one more.
They have to be white.
I have one more.
All right, we're gonna take a couple more and then we're gonna have to stop and finish this after recess or lunch. Why
Why does water turn green over time?
does water turn green over time?
Yeah, that's a really good question.
Oh, I haven't.
I didn't because the leaves melt.
Okay. John, I haven't got you.
How does water freeze?
How does water freeze? Like,
Coldness.
how does it freeze? Good question, John. I wonder about that too. All right, is there anyone I haven't called on? Anyone I haven't? Ellie, did I call on you yet? Ellie, I don't think I got you.
Why does it go spring, summer, then?
Say that one more time.
Why does the seasons go different?
Why do we have seasons? Like, why do we change seasons? That's a really good nature question. Okay.
And how do people carve seasons?
Okay, and last one, Lewis. Did you ever think of yours?
Yeah.
Okay, last one, Lewis, for right now.
Why does the ocean not turn green?
Why does the ocean not turn green? That's a really good question. Okay.
Yeah, it's always blue.
Right.
It's like a light blue.
My question that I'm concerned about, how does wind make ocean waves?
Okay, now,
It's just windy.
this week, all week, we're going to be talking about nature, and we're going to be wondering and asking these questions. We're going to be learning about some really cool facts about nature, okay? We do have to stop now because it's already recess time, and Mrs. Tanya is here. So fly to your chairs and line up.